welcome back. I'm Emily, and as you can tell, I'm bumming it hard today because it's Friday. I just watered most of my plants today. Fridays are watering days for most plants, like I said. But yeah, today's Friday. I have a friend coming over for the weekend and my place is a mess. I need to clean like everything. So I decided why not do a like little cleaning routine type of video. I personally like seeing those, so figured maybe some of you guys do too. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just clean up the apartment today. It's pretty dirty. So we're gonna have fun doing that, and yeah, it's basically just gonna be like chill music and me cleaning. Maybe occasionally I'll be talking, but honestly when I'm cleaning I'm just like in the zone, you know? So I personally like to start with the kitchen. So I'm just gonna start with the kitchen, put some dishes away. So we're gonna do kitchen, then we're gonna do probably the bathroom, and then I'm gonna do surfaces. And then the last thing will be like vacuuming and mopping, and then the very last thing will be doing laundry, which I'm not gonna record, but just so you guys can kind of see like the way I do it. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start working on the kitchen. So first of all, I personally like to clean while I watch something on my phone, whether it's YouTube videos or a show on Hulu or Netflix. Currently I'm watching Shameless on Netflix, so I'm just gonna be watching that while I start cleaning up.
On the track.
So for stainless steel, I like to use these. They're just like wipes and they work super well. I think they have a spray too. But yeah, this is what I use. Alright, so here is a before of this nasty mess right here. So let's work on this. So my apartment is really small and I don't have like extra storage. Like, you know how everybody has that like hallway storage or closet or whatever? I literally do not have that. So under my sink is where I keep, like, obviously all the kitchen cleaning products, like this stuff, some plant care stuff, and even my laundry detergent. So yeah, it's like a lot of stuff for this really small space. I have extra storage above the fridge, but everything I have down here is because I will grab it like throughout the week and stuff, so there's really no point in putting it up there. I just put like extras of things up there where I can't really reach all the time. But yeah, let's go ahead and clean right here. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's not that great, obviously, but it's what we can do. So I just have like a bunch of cleaning stuff in there. In the back is just reusable bags. And then I just have like some plant care stuff right here. In the back, I just have like that boring stuff. And I decided to free up some space because I had more room up here. So I just decided to put that stuff up there. Pretty much done with the kitchen. So I'm just gonna get ready, get all the stuff that I need to start cleaning the bathroom. All right, so this is currently the bathroom situation. I was watering a plant, so I'm gonna put that away. And I'm even gonna spray some stuff in the shower and stuff like that. So nothing fun. So let's get started and then I'll get back to you guys soon. So I had to pick up some magic erasers because this sink, I don't know if it's like the material of it or something, literally anything will stick to it. For example, when I'm doing my makeup and I get like maybe like mascara or I don't know, something, it just sticks to it so much and it's so frustrating. It's like, I don't know if you could tell, but there's just a lot of like just little marks. Let's see. All right, it's getting rid of most of it, so let's continue. So these are something neat that I got too. They're Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom flushable wipes. So it's basically so you can like clean the toilet and just flush them straight down. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Gonna use these. Sorry, it looks like it's getting pretty dark already. But I wanted to share these I just got from Target. They're Clorox like toilet, what is that? Wands or whatever. They're pretty cool. It's like it's a toilet wand, but they come with like these little like disposable like scrubbers. When they hit the water, they start to dissolve, and it was pretty cool. Like it cleaned it really, really well. So highly recommend this. All right, so I just cleaned the toilet, the bathtub. The bathtub, I used the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser because it's just like the white bathtub and they start to stain, especially since I have to dye my hair sometimes. It was starting to stain a little bit, so I used that and it worked really, really well. I got this guy from Target. It's the little like, it's a reed diffuser. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to there. I think it's gonna look really cute. That way there's constantly a nice scent in the bathroom. And this one I got in scent Vanilla Bergamot. And what was cool about these was that since you can't open it and like smell it, they had like right next to them the same, by threshold, they have like room sprays and candles with the same scent, so you can like just test those out to see what that smells like before buying the reed diffuser. And I haven't had these in forever. I forgot how great these were. I usually use like candles or room sprays, but this is nice because like I said, it's just a constant scent for the bathroom, and they look really cute for decor. See, this one's just like an amber glass bottle. So it says that it takes about 24 hours for the reeds to infuse. So we're just gonna put this guy in here like that. And it's perfect for this little shelf. I think it's really cute. I just have my Public Goods lotion, Now the reed diffuser, I have my Rose Dose candle and then my Rose Dose room spray. So sorry, it is like so dark, but the bathroom's all good. Next, I'm just going to vacuum the entire apartment and then I'm going to mop. And it's kind of dark, so I'm afraid that you guys aren't even gonna be able to see it, right? But the rest is just vacuuming anyways, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum next. Alright, so the lighting is so bad, but I just finished vacuuming the entire apartment. So living room, kitchen, office nook, bedroom, bathroom, all good. So now I'm going to mop, and what I use is, I don't even remember what it's called. It's this thing called Mr. Siga from Amazon. I found it on Amazon. Comes with like reusable pads, and I use Fabuloso, of course. Unfortunately, not the lavender scent because they were out. But what I do, since my sink is really big, I just fill up some water, add some of the Fabuloso, and then I just like dip the mop in there, and just like that. Alright, all done mopping. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry so I can put the rug back on, and I think that's basically it. I forgot to wipe down like my little dining table and my TV stand and the dresser in the room, but other than that, that's it. I know it's pretty boring, but just figured I'd share with you guys. Yeah, that's basically all that I do. I do this much cleaning, like the whole mopping and like really cleaning the bathroom a lot and stuff like that, maybe like every 2 weeks. But honestly, every day I just clean as I go to make sure that everything stays pretty neat. Just like days like today, I just had like a busy week and everything kind of like piled up. And also my friend Anna is coming to visit, so needed to get it kind of cleaned. But after all that, I am going to basically undo the bed so I can wash the sheets, and I have some clothes that I need to wash. It's 7:45. It feels pretty late, but it's not, so I still have a good amount of time. I think I'm going to be building my dining chairs if I'm not too sleepy tonight. Probably be recording that for another video. But that's basically it. I know it was really lame, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other type of videos you're interested in watching down in the comments. And like always, please like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.